This is the Iron Trader. It is Monday morning, so it's time to go to work. So as usual, we are going to review the crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude oil. Now, you can see where oil is selling off today. Basically, Goldman came in over the weekend, and they cut the December forecast here from 89 to 81. Citing that Russia and Iran are pumping way more than what they're supposed to be doing, even though Saudi Arabia is going to initiate some huge cuts here starting in July. So that's why we have the big red candle here today. Okay, now, if you watched my video here yesterday, you notice I've been pointing out this double bottom right here. Okay, the bottom of this candle here, the bottom of that candle there, which is basically 67.03. All right, so what we want to do is we want to look at some of these other candles here. So you want to look here at 67.51. If that's lost, then we have this 67.03. And that is going to be your retest level of the double bottom. Now, again, if that's lost, then we keep on going to the bottom. You got 65.65. Here you have 65.38. Then we have a 64.36. And then you have your big retest here, 63.64. But let's just watch this double bottom from now, one level at a time. If it drops, then we know where it's going to go. All right, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look at the bottom of this candle right here. So you're looking at basically 70.10. And then we look at today's candle, you're looking at 70.33. And then we start getting into these SMAs here. So we got to look here at the 8. You're looking at 70.98. You're looking at 21-day is 71.34. All right, now that's going to be very strong resistance, as you can see, where it just doesn't seem to want to just, break on through. So then we look at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 72.33. Then we have here 73.28. And then we look here at our 50 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 74.59, and then your 100 SMA sitting at 75.22. That is all going to be very, very strong resistance levels. Because see how these candles went right on in, and it just can't seem to blast through there. But if it does, then your target there is going to be 78.99. I just don't like this 200-day that just keeps on dropping and dropping and dropping. There's no flattening. There's no upswing. There's just really nothing there. That just tells me that the price just is either going to stay sideways or lower here until something would happen here. So basically watch through this price channel here. You got 74.73 on the top, and you got 67.03 on the bottom. The 67.03 is going to be very, very critical. If not, then we just follow the bottom of these candles so we know where it's going to go. Take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. All right, your weekly, I've been pointing out here, the key is going to be this 200 SMA. You're sitting at 67.35. You really need to hold that. If it's lost, then you look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 65.38, 64.36, and then your big retest there is 63.64. On your upside, you can just see here, let me big this up a little bit. See, you can just see here how this 8-day just kept on trying, but just could not get through and close and curl above that 21. And now she's going on the way down, forcing that price right on down. Okay, so let's just look at, see, there's going to be your key resistance, going to be 71.69. If you can get above that, then your target is going to be 74.66. And then again, above that, you got 81.13, the 50-day, but it's going to be very, very tough resistance trying to get up there. Then we have a price channel going on up there at 83.53. Now, here on your monthly, always watch the 66.04. That's your 50 SMA here. And then we'll watch this 200 SMA here going on here at 72.73. If we can get above, then we have the 8-day here sitting at 75.66, and then your 21 sitting at 85.46. But if you look at this here, you can just see here with the price, it just can't get through this 8 SMA. See, this is why I always use the simple moving averages. See, because it's just a really good, where the price is going, and if it can get through, then you go to the next level. If it can't, then you're going to go lower, and then you look for the levels below. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, natty gas, not really nothing to say here. Just pretty much sideways action, building a huge base. So basically, just watch these price channels here. You got 2.68 on the top, 2.13 on the bottom here. Now, if you look for what we're going to do for lower here, watch the 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.24. Watch your 50 SMA. You're sitting at 2.25. And then your 21 SMA, which is going to be your big resistance, is going to be 2.33. If you can get above, then we have 2.40. But you really have just really nothing right here to just right. I'm just doing small scalps here. There's a lot better trades out there what natural gas is right now. It needs a catalyst. It needs some kind of a disruption. It needs something here to get it moving one way or the other. So just watch these price channels, trade those until she breaks one way or the other. All right, I will have more for you on crude oil and natural gas after pit close there at 2:30. All right, thanks for watching.